5 simple gin cocktails that you can make at home tonight. Gin is having an incredible renaissance right now, a ginaissance if you will, but if you don't know how to mix it, you're missing out. So here are 5 great gin drinks that anyone can make at home, no fancy equipment needed. Number 1. The Martini. The Martini is an absolute classic, though most are familiar with the bone-dry vodka version. Great bartenders know, however, that fresh vermouth and gin are a match made in heaven. So stir equal parts with ice, strain into a cold coupe glass and garnish with a little lemon zest. Delicious and elegant. Number 2. The Negroni. Bartenders love bitterness in cocktails too, and the Negroni is a perfect pre-dinner sipper. An ounce each of gin, Campari and sweet vermouth over ice with a twist of orange or grapefruit peel makes a perfect evening drink. Number 3. The Tom Collins. If you're looking for something a little lighter and longer, the Tom Collins is a great fresh option for sunny afternoons. Sweeter Old Tom gin combines with lemon juice, sugar and sparkling water for a highball that you can drink into the evening. Number 4. The Gimlet. While the Royal Navy is normally associated with rum, officers were actually rationed the more gentlemanly gin to sip on board. To ward off scurvy, it was mixed with lime cordial to get their vitamin C. A quality lime cordial like Rose's works just as well today, or opt for fresh lime and sugar syrup instead. Number 5. The Gin and Tonic. Our list couldn't be complete without the G&T, but it's badly made more often than not. Aim for a 2-to-1 ratio of quality tonic water to premium gin over mounds of ice in a copa glass, and garnish to complement your gin's botanicals. If in doubt, citrus peel is always a good call. Enjoy this video? We have lots more on the way, so hit subscribe and turn on notifications to know as soon as the next one drops.